Oh, this isn't just another 67 Chevelle Super Sport. This one is exceptional. It's body off the frame. The fit and finish is amazing. And it has the L78. That's a 396, 375 horsepower motor under the hood. Power steering, power brakes, 4-speed, posi, the blinker tack. We'll tell you about that later. Factory Marina Blue car, real Super Sport. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 exceptional cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one here, along with full descriptions, pictures, videos, finance information. You can scan the QR code on the screen at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car, or there's a link in the description. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I sincerely mean that. This one is better than most of them. I can look at a whole bunch of these blue Chevelles, and this one's going to stand out. The body is excellent. Now, there's less than 50 miles on the restoration, even though I was told it was done over 20 years ago. So it really says a lot about it to hold up this well. But I guess it's been parked most of the time. The gentleman unfortunately passed away that owned it, but it has the SS bulge to it. All the lines are real nice and square. It's absolutely straight. No vinyl roof. This is all smooth. The jambs are slick. Shuts nice and solid. The wheel well moldings fit the car real nice. All clean. All super nice. No issues that I see. Trunk is great. The lines are great. No dents or waves or ripples. All this is amazing. Look at the reflection. All super nice. Couple little, oh no, not rock chips. That's a little dirt. Right around the edge here, all nice and clean. The seam down here is dry. The gap is spot on. Jambs are slick. Shuts nice and solid. So the body is excellent. That really is why I was drawn to this car. Factory Marina Blue car, FF, no vinyl top. It's all laid out very nicely. It is metallic. It has a smooth, glossy finish. You'd have to look really hard and close to find a flaw because nothing stood out to me at all. The grills on the hood still look like new. The emblems, the molding, the grill. These are original bumpers that have been rechromed. They're not reproduction. Has correct T3 headlamps. Has bumper guards. Those are NOS out of a box. The cross flag emblems look like new. The moldings. All of the trim is sparkling. New windshield. Even the wiper arms, the moldings, it's all shiny. The vent windows, bow tie mirrors on both sides. All this stuff is straight, shiny, beautiful. The window seals and weather strips. A factory rear mount antenna. The emblems back here are sparkling. It is an SS big block, so it has the blacked out tail panel. Again, rechromed original bumper, NOS bumper guards, tail lights. Everything is sparkling. Everything's looking real good. It is sitting on some 15-inch rally wheels. They look like 15s to me. The trim is all shiny, and those are Radial Redline BFGoodrich tires. Why don't we open it up? I got a lot more good stuff to show you. All right, check out the trunk compartment. I love it when they have squeaky hinges. Under the trunk lid, smooth and glossy. So is the jam, real nice. Weather strip is replaced. Inside's all clean metal with a spatter finish. Has the mat, the tire cover, restored rim, nice tire, jack assembly. It's all there. So clean and complete. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. The jambs are very nice. Bottom of the door is clean. Weather strips were replaced. Sill plates were replaced. Complete reproduction interior. Look at the door panels, the armrest, the window cranks, all looking really sharp. A little bit of metal trim is painted real slick. Okay, something real cool. The blinker tack that I had talked about earlier. The factory put the tachometer here. Well, the blinker gets covered, so they put a blinker in the tachometer. And then we have the factory gauges back there as well instead of dummy lights. 43 miles is all that's been put on this car since its frame off restoration. Again, all nice bezels and trim and controls. This is all nice and slick looking. Glove box liner was replaced, has the owner's manual, extra keys. The light works, kick panels look good. Nice bright blue carpet with reproduction mats. The center console is excellent. It has an optional clock and it's actually working. Correct reverse lockout shifter. Again, it's all nice and tidy and clean. Seats, they're rebuilt, recushioned, reupholstered, all looking real great. All the trim, everything's looking real nice. The light works at the back of the console. We got floor mats back here too. This is all redone. Same thing with the side panels, the armrest, window cranks, all redone. Also has a rear speaker, that's an option. Sail panels are nice and straight, not wrinkled. Headliner's tight as a drum. Dome light works, matching visors look fresh. Mirror looks fresh. It has the optional 3-spoke steering wheel. So it's a nice feature. So very tidy inside as well. Again, exceptional. Go look at 100 of them. This will be in the top 5. Great colors too. Okay, so this is an L78 motor. It's a code EG, and that is correct. It has the hump here on the heads. Those are the rectangle port heads. It has the matched factory aluminum intake. This is a factory like heat shield on the high performance cars. You can look up that part number. And it's got the dual feed 780 Holley carburetor. All that's stock. This thing runs strong. You got the chrome valve covers and air cleaner. They did upgrade the distributor with an HEI ignition. Firewalls all painted. We got reproduction hoses and clamps. This is all detailed and tidy. Spring clamp battery cables. Again, everything clean and tidy. This is the original radiator. It was sent out and rebuilt, record, but it's the original. All the brackets, pulleys, clamps, all looking real nice. Power steering with the remote reservoir. The horns are under the fender. You don't see them. The alternator looks fresh. Cadmium plated booster with the power brakes. Wiper motor looks fresh. Again, the squirters are hooked up. Has the hood insulation. This is a nicely detailed engine compartment, and it's a really desirable engine. Michael's going to demonstrate how well it runs, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Up there. I swear, I think this car feels pretty much like it did when it left the showroom in 1967. It's got a really good ride quality to it. I was able to go around the block once, and yeah, definitely liking what I'm seeing here. Nice downshifts. Just, yeah, it runs great. Fantastic. The quality of the restoration is definitely all there. Let's see what she's got. All right. And we are up to 60 miles an hour, folks, just like that. The car's tight. It's well built. You know, the steering got that little classic car, just little float to it. but in such a good way. Really fun to drive. Let's see how it goes down the road. I already knew that was going to be the case. I mean, this car is just super dialed in, and it's really ready to drive. And that's what somebody can do if they push the buy it now button. If you need to contact our sales team first for a test drive, go ahead and do that, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So I had said it was body off frame, and you could tell the frame is just smooth as can be, and all the chassis components all painted a nice semi-gloss or satin black. All the steering and suspension was rebuilt. It does have front and rear sway bars. The brakes were all rebuilt, lines replaced, e-brakes hooked up. It's got a nice sounding dual exhaust with crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers. The fuel system was redone. You look up at the motor, even the bottom side of the motor is as fresh as the top side. Nice clean Chevy orange. They did give it a high torque starter. The transmission is a Muncie M20 4-speed transmission. Drive shaft leads back to a 12-bolt rear end with 355 posi gears. That's a perfect combination in my opinion. So again, an exceptional car. And then the floors, they're all super clean. The floors, the braces, and it has a nice, even, fresh looking coat of undercoat. Nice black undercoat. It's very, very nice looking under the car. So go to volocars.com if you want one of the exceptional ones. Sales can help answer your questions like how to get your Super Sport delivered to your door, financing, insurance, all that stuff they can help you with. Thanks for watching.